Do you struggle with bloating, stomach pain, or irregular bowel movements? You might have IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. In this video, we'll explain the FODMAP diet, a proven way to ease IBS symptoms and improve gut health. IBS is a common digestive condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Symptoms can include bloating, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and constipation. But what many don't know is certain foods can make these symptoms worse. That's where the FODMAP diet comes in. The FODMAP diet focuses on reducing certain types of carbohydrates that your gut may not absorb properly. These carbs can ferment in the gut, leading to gas, bloating, and discomfort. By lowering these foods in your diet, many people with IBS find major relief. The FODMAP diet has 3 simple phases. 1. Elimination. For 2 to 6 weeks, remove high FODMAP foods completely and watch for improvement in symptoms. 2. Reintroduction. Slowly add back one food at a time to see what triggers your symptoms. 3. Personalization. Create a long-term plan with foods that your gut tolerates well. This step-by-step approach helps you discover exactly what works for your body. Some common high FODMAP foods include fruits like apples, pears, and watermelon, vegetables like onions, beans, and cabbage, grains like wheat, rye, and barley, dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, legumes like lentils and chickpeas. Not everyone reacts to all these foods, which is why reintroduction is key. When reintroducing foods, test only one at a time and in small amounts. This helps you clearly see which foods trigger IBS symptoms and which ones are safe. The FODMAP diet can be life-changing for managing IBS, but it's best to work with a dietitian for guidance. Healthy digestion means a happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gut health tips.